The whole country wants to move to Bangalore. 13 घंटे कौन बैठता है शादी पे?
She's happy with the rasam rice being a
I
North
love
Indian.
it.
I'm happy with my paneer being a South. Hello guys and welcome once again to Stories with Cam and Jun. Today is the third episode and we're going to be talking about some differences between Bangalore and Delhi. I think in the previous episode we had alluded that we
should do it
something
because we
like
had
this,
so
right?
many things to speak about. So we thought, why not make a new episode about it? Because I am from Delhi, he is from Bangalore, and there is so much cross culture. तो हमने सोचा क्यों नहीं भाई एक एपिसोड ही बन जाएगा और बता भी देंगे कि हम क्या फील करते हैं.
Two states का movie है ये.
Yeah, but in a fun way.
In a more engaging way, I would say.
Yeah.
This is obviously through our own experiences and our own
Experiences.
lenses and our own eyes. So our own ears, whatever we have observed and all of that, right? So
So
I think पहले से शुरू करो कामाक्षी, you want to start?
yes.
हाँ, कहाँ से
So,
शुरू करेंगे?
पहले तो मौसम के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. वेदर, why
Easiest
not?
ना?
Easiest, because you know what.
It's like the easiest.
The
क्या
whole
बोलते हो?
country wants to move to Bangalore. The whole country wants to know what is there in Bangalore for the weather. So why
यार-
want to move to Bangalore is because of the weather.
हाँ, लोग आके खराब हो गया लेकिन
हाँ, बहुत
जो
लोग हैं।
पहले था मतलब
Yeah.
when I was in school,
Yeah.
it was a completely different vibe to what it is right now. I think
And
we
हम
keep
डिस्कस भी कर रहे थे उस दिन कि यार अभी नवंबर में it used to be chilly.
Yeah.
Imagine अभी बाहर धूप है, it's so hot.
December
But anyways, all in all, I would say the weather in Bangalore is just too good. Amaze balls.
comparatively मैं
Can
अगर
I say
मतलब
that? Can I say that? Amaze balls.
dude, this is new generation, new lingo.
Amazingly awesome. That's my word. So it's amazingly awesome. Yeah.
Amaze Balls works for new generation. Amazingly awesome works for our generation. For the previous generation, you can choose some other word. But
Correct.
anyway,
Yeah.
So coming back to the weather, I think weather. There's no two words about it. There's no two ways to put
Yeah.
it. Bangalore weather rocks.
And also, I think people initially wanted to make this as a city जहाँ पे लोग रिटायर होके आ सकते हैं,
वही तो था।
आराम से चिल वेदर में रहेंगे,
IT
करेंगे.
changed everything.
IT changed everything. But now दिल्ली पे बात करते हैं. दिल्ली का वेदर, summers too extreme, winters damn extreme, rainfall थोड़ा बहुत जो होता है, it is a relief for us. But the worst time when I tell my mom that I'm not coming is when? Tell
August,
me.
September.
Oh God, it's so bad.
मतलब
So,
मुंबई में भी मैं सर्वाइव कर सकता हूँ. ह्यूमिडिटी है, सब है.
Yeah.
दिल्ली में
It's bad.
it's next level of humidity. वो it's not a coastal humidity. It's some other level of
So
humidity.
it's called continental type of climate. I'll tell you why I know this because when I was in school, so my teacher, geography teacher, I think there was a chapter about climate. She told Delhi is a continental
No,
type of
she's-
climate.
Sorry.
No, it's geography की थी. इसमें एक था यार एक लेसन जिसमें था कि क्लाइमेट के बारे में. Then she told me that I remembered it. But I will go back and check. Please don't quote me anywhere.
नहीं
I'll
वो
go back
ठीक
and
है.
check.
मैं I was actually wanting to learn. It's not geography. It's geography.
हाँ, okay, that's because okay, I'll tell you why he keeps doing it. It's because North Delhi में लोगों का थोड़ा सा accent different है and
हर
Bangalore
जगह
वालों का
हर
भी
जगह
accent.
है. हमारा भी परफेक्ट है.
Perfect. So okay.
तो
Perfect.
उधर इधर परफेक्शन है, उधर परफेक्शन है.
Remember this one more word you
उधर
keep teasing.
ऑक्सीजन है, इधर ऑक्सीजन है. So
And there's one more, no?
theory.
Theory and cough. Cuff. We call cuff. So अगर घर में किसी को खांसी हो रहा है, क्या हो गया बेटा तुझे क्या हो गया? कफ हो रहा है. Arjun, when I got married, I'm like Arjun, कफ हो रहा है.
I said what is cuff?
What is cuff?
The only thing
You
I know
what
of
he
cuff
said?
is cufflinks.
It's like what is cuffling? I'm
वो
like
cough होता है.
it's like cough
Cuff
होता है
क्या होता है?
कामाक्षी cough होता है. I'm like sorry. And there's one more ना hibiscus.
Hibiscus और hibiscus. हम
Yeah.
hibiscus स्कूल में तो hibiscus we have been taught.
Yeah, and
There
I
they-
say hibiscus.
So
Okay, guys, it can't be for whole Delhi. It's just between us.
yeah,
right?
it's only
Between
our
us,
observation.
yeah.
हम and हमारा दोस्त भी.
हमारा
like
दोस्त
we-
Arjun keeps taking.
Like for instance, either I can, if I have to say, either be thoda bahut pronunciations and all of that. In Bangalore, we say modern. Some people say modern for modern. And Western, fixed.
Yeah.
So
fixed.
hey, there are these quirks everywhere, I guess. So it's
उसको क्या जब भी ऑटो वाले भैया को बोलो अच्छा बैंगलोर में एक और चीज़ है जब हम चाहते हैं ऑटो में भैया कहाँ जाना है स्ट्रीट तो होगी स्ट्रीट तो क्या
होगी।
तो गोड़ी से
Straight ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
स्ट्रेट होगी हम लाइक स्ट्रेट भी बोल सकते हैं ना स्ट्रीट
no, that depends on the distance of the straight you have to go, right? If it's a short straight, he'll say straight. If it's a long straight, he'll say
straight left
straight.
straight I'm like हाँ मतलब 2 किलोमीटर स्ट्रेट है ना that's है कुछ right so these are the small
Quirks
of the
of
place
different
yeah.
cities, right?
Yeah.
So
What about people? What do you think about people?
people. यार पीपल ना जो मैंने आई थिंक बेस्ट इज टू से कि मैं उधर का बात करता हूँ
हाँ ठीक है तुम
बिकॉज
तो you
व्हाट
talk
एवर आई हैव
about
ऑब्जर्व देयर इज दैट थोड़ा ब्रैश लाउड क्या बोलते हो एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है बट वो समटाइम्स इट कैन बॉर्डर इनटू ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस
right
एंड गुस्सा नाक पे है सबका पता नहीं क्यों
including me
हाँ तेरा भी है बट anyway so I don't know why you're
Yeah.
always there's always a kind of
Yeah.
hurry
Hurry,
and a
urgency.
urgency
Yeah.
there's always a bit of there's always noise the noise pollution also is at a higher level
oh
there
yeah but Delhi में
people themselves are very loud right the way they speak
दिल्ली में हमारे फैमिली में भी सीन हम लोग सब जनरली बहुत लाउड है स्पेशली आई वुड से कि पंजाबी मेन्यू सी कि जब भी घर में कोई वो मतलब शादी वादी होती है इट्स ऑल लाउड सब वहाँ ढोल बज रहे हैं ढोल भी बज रहा है डीजे भी बज रहा है बीट्स अलग है लोग फिर भी
लोग
अपनी
बात-
बीट में
बात
नाच
भी
रहे
कर
हैं सो यू डोंट नो राइट इट्स लाइक ऑल ओवर द प्लेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू दैट बट पीपल वाइज आई वुड ऑल्सो से यहाँ पर लोग जो मैंने लास्ट एपिसोड में भी बोला था कोई फाइट होता है तो दे आर लाइक ए बट मारते ही नहीं है ना लाइक अरे मारो यार मारो आगे चलो मूव ऑन करो लाइफ में यहाँ पे इट्स ऑल शोबाजी देयर आर सो timid they can't even hit sorry Arjun but they don't hit at
हाँ,
all
हो सकता है I would say understated is the word I would like to use for
and
people
now you
here.
become so poised and
Not
sophisticated
poised,
of
so-
course
No,
understated
it's not that. Even if I have to talk about people and the way they show off, for the lack of a better word,
yeah
even if people have money, probably इधर क्या गाड़ियाँ खरीद लेंगे, ठीक है?
हाँ probably
लेकिन घर वर you see be like घर बहुत ही क्लासिक सा मॉडर्न सा बना देंगे
वहाँ
कलर
पे
वाइज
it's
एंड ऑल
more show
उधर-
on your face
उधर it's
loud
literally in your face and
Yeah.
loud ना
जब तक हमारे शादी में सीक्वेंस नहीं डाला तो क्या खाक पंजाबी शादी हुई जब तक ऐसे ज्वेलरी नहीं डाली तब तक पता नहीं चलेगा ना शादी है
चटक कलर
Chatak.
क्या चटक ही है
Pata,
ना
there was a time, Arjun, you won't believe. Me and my sister, we went to some salon for something. I don't remember for what joy. क्या services के लिए गए थे, पर हम दोनों गए. हाँ, I want to do a hair spa. That girl said, "Oh, this is how natural hair looks like." I'm like, "What do you mean?" She's like, "I think दीदी आप और आपकी बहन 2 लड़कियां ही हैं वेस्ट दिल्ली में जिन्होंने बाल कलर नहीं कराए मैं जहाँ पे मेरे यहाँ पे जो भी लड़की आती है सबके बाल कलर्ड है and they're so loud when it comes to showing their hair. So like when it comes to that, we are very at least me and Gogi are like that. So but
and
people
I
are very on
observed
the
that
faces.
as well actually कि when you guys came for the marriage and after marriage we went back and over years subsequent time whenever they talk about people in Bangalore and how they live one point that I kind of have heard a lot being made there is अरे यार उधर लोग इतना सिंपल है लेडीज
बहुत
लिपस्टिक भी नहीं पहनते हैं
हाँ,
I'm like,
oh
ये
yeah, yeah,
लिपस्टिक
that was
का
a
फंडा
point.
मुझे पहले समझ में नहीं आता था
Yeah. Remember even so okay after marriage लिपस्टिक से मुझे याद आता है एक स्टोरी आफ्टर मैरिज तो हमारे यहाँ पे ना रोटी छुड़ाने के लिए जाना है रोटी छुड़ाना मतलब पीपल और द गेस्ट नॉट गेस्ट रिलेटिव्स विल कॉल यू होम टू फीड यू समथिंग एंड देन अपेरेंटली इन पंजाबी culture you have to dress up like you are proper newly
It's like
wed and
newly
you have to
married,
deck
right?
up and
So-
go and I am being myself.
she
I
was-
wore t-shirt jeans. My mom is
Like I said-
लिपस्टिक ते ला ले मेरी पूरी इज्जत खराब हो रही है लिपस्टिक तो कहने को मैं लिपस्टिक और इज्जत का क्या रिलेशन है बट दैट्स द कल्चर दैट्स द पीपल हाउ पीपल थिंक कि अगर ढिंचैक नहीं हुआ तो
like I said
एंड यहाँ पे उल्टा पूरा सोबर कंप्लीटली सोबर people not even wear lipstick no makeup they'll just wear their nice bangles and
मतलब
be done
again
with
it's a
it.
generalization मैं generalize नहीं कर रहा हूँ but yeah it's not like for every there's occasions that you have to pick and choose
Right.
right it's not one size fit all kind of
हाँ
thing.
करेक्ट बट
So,
जनरली यहाँ पे इट्स मोर सिंप्लिसिटी
Simplicity is
पीपल शो पीपल बहुत शो ऑफ
Correct,
हैं यहाँ
correct.
पे बट इन अ वे it's a different kind of show off not like on your face show off
that's what I said
Yeah.
so the show off happens in different ways
yeah,
there it's more in your
houses.
face here it's more understated and
correct
when you speak to them you know that they come from a
and also
they show
okay
off
there's
more
one more
there.
thing यहाँ पे I've noticed is जब when you talk in a group तो usually people will ask you on your face कि कहाँ पे है घर तुम्हारा like where do you stay oh जयनगर oh okay it comes like that
like the मन में ही ना
they start thinking about your net worth I've
they
seen.
calculate in the
Yeah,
mind
it's all good. It's all about money. They'll start calculating. Delhi में ऐसा नहीं. Even if you are from wherever, people don't care too much. You know, ask such
Correct,
personal
correct.
questions.
First, they don't ask those
They don't
questions.
ask
That's
those
one
questions.
thing I've noticed. Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
difference.
So
Even
people are more cozy there. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा when I sometimes I feel like it's more of थोड़ा money minded आता है. What do you think?
tough to say, money-minded.
But not all. Again, some
Again,
conversations.
like I said,
most,
generalization
yeah.
we can't do. But and also money-minded probably is a slightly strong term. You can
Yeah.
just say that here they do like to know about people, how much
What they do, how much they earn, or what's their
Probably
net
it's
worth
also
is.
slightly for the previous generation.
Not for
Because
this.
this generation, even
Nobody
our
cares.
generation, that has kind of whittled down. We don't
Correct.
care too much. We are like okay with
Whatever
we
it
don't
is.
we don't even talk about what it is.
Correct,
right?
correct.
But I think previous generation में थोड़ा है वो.
And what do you think about culture?
So when you say culture, कौन सा culture? They're
Like Punjabi culture or
Again,
our Kannadiga or Brahmin culture, whatever, because we can talk about ourselves, right? So, हमारे
I'll
culture
say
में what do you
Kannadiga culture. Again, like I said, थोड़ा understated.
think? Yeah.
And when it comes to events and all, we are a little more serious, right?
Our wedding.
Sorry.
our cultural wedding. Guys, our पंजाबियों में शादी कैसे होती है? पंजाबियों में ही रिंग एंगेजमेंट हुई, नाचे खाए, देन हमारी हुई
नेक्स्ट डे होता है
मेहंदी
नाचे
लगवाई,
गाए,
नाचे खाए, देन द लास्ट वन कौन सा?
शादी नाचो फिर फेरे करो नाचो फिर घर जाओ.
दैट्स एंड देन हाँ थोड़ी पूजा भी करो, फेरों में पूजा हो जाएगी. हमारे यहाँ पे जब हमारी शादी का डिस्कशन हो रहा था, मैंने एंड माई डैड मॉम को बोला कि यार आई वांट टू डू अ साउथ इंडियन वेडिंग बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू गो इन देयर कल्चर, तो वहीं से स्टार्ट करते, विल बी अ गुड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. दे ऑल अग्रीड. सो शादी हुई, सुबह 4 बजे शुरू हुई, मुझे लगा अब ख़त्म होगी अर्जुन. नॉनसेंस. 5 बजे तक शादी चल रही थी. 12-13 घंटे कौन बैठता है शादी पे? माय डैड इज लाइक बेटा
मेरा तो 2 बजे शुरू हुआ था.
इनका तो और भी जल्दी. माय डैड लाइक बेटा कुछ भी करना, इसको नहीं छोड़ना है बिल्कुल. एक बार इतनी बड़ी शादी पे नहीं बैठ सकते हम. आई एम सो सॉरी, वी आर डन. एक शादी इनफ थी घर के लिए.
See, the thing with that was, I think, because we chose each other,
Yeah.
our parents said कि you've done your part, leave the next part to us. So
Correct.
even though we gave our input saying slightly
Actually,
shorten the rituals.
You would have given that. मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था what I
you
was
didn't know,
I
but
didn't
I
know what I
knew.
was.
So I told.
But I enjoyed it thoroughly because बहुत सारे rituals थे Arjun. It was so interesting. I like that
Now
cultural fit of the wedding.
On that day it was
yeah,
a pain.
it was pain.
Now
But
to
now
talk about it, it's fun.
Correct. Now I love it because I'm glad that I went through
But
it.
will I go through another and be able to sit through another? Sorry, no
So
chance.
even if we think यार हम renew करेंगे vows, it will be just a small.
Court marriage.
कोर्ट मैरिज क्यों करना है? मैरिज तो हो गई ना.
नहीं, कोर्ट में जाके रिन्यू करेंगे ना.
नहीं करना ही नहीं. हम अब इस बार हम बल्ले बल्ले करेंगे. या दिस इज व्हाट वी गोना डू, राइट?
डेस्टिनेशन तो कर ले.
चलो यार डेस्टिनेशन कर लेंगे. व्हाई आर वी डिस्कसिंग दिस हियर? विल प्लान इट, विल डू इट,
ठीक है,
एंड यू गाइस विल सी इट.
ठीक है. So
व्हाट अबाउट फूड? Oh, we did the food thing.
Food already, I think,
food
we
and
have spoken,
availability. I think food में we
I
can
think-
always say.
I think food तो दोनों
But
जगह
street
मतलब
food, I think बैंगलोर में अभी कल्चर शुरू हुआ है स्ट्रीट फूड का.
था पहले भी.
या बट मोर भी लाइक जैसे दिल्ली में अर्जुन आपने देखा ठेले पे छोले कुलचे हर जगह मिलते हैं.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे
इधर-
ठेले में इडली वड़ा
हाँ, वो सब
न्यूएंसेस हैं, बट आई थिंक इन देयर ओन टर्म्स दे ब्यूटीफुल, आई वुड से.
you get corn everywhere, like ठेले पे corn मिलता
कॉर्न मिलता है,
peanuts मिलता है.
इट्स मोर हेल्थियर एंड क्लीनर, आई वुड से.
More hygienic for sure.
आई थिंक दिस पॉइंट गोज टू
Bangalore.
Bangalore because they're more cleaner.
Much more hygienic in Bangalore street food
Right.
than in Delhi. Delhi is more polluted in general
Yeah.
because of various reasons. So not only the weather but other reasons as well, culturally and stuff. So that's okay.
Yeah.
I
So
think we've
food-
spoken
food-
about food enough in our previous
previous है,
episode.
but मैं एक बार फिर भी बोलूँगी, being North Indian, I love my rasam rice. And there is always a fight wherein I want to have rasam rice, I want to go to Amma's place, have rasam rice, and he would be the one be like, यार नहीं यार कुछ वो बना देते, पनीर बना देते.
Yeah.
So,
She's happy with the rasam rice being a
I
North
love
Indian.
it.
I'm happy with my paneer being a South Indian.
Paneer, and even my sister-in-law Anaga,
Oh,
she'd
yeah.
always be like, अरे यार Kamakshi, she calls me K, when are you making paneer burji? She'll be like, हाँ paneer burji you make, I'll eat. So
They enjoy that. That's one thing they enjoy. They enjoy your style
I think it's
of
too, we are
cooking.
too familiar with our food, so we'll love each other's food more. Yeah. But वैसे भी देखा जाए दिल्ली में, I think this point goes to us hands down in the way that the availability of food, we have more options.
I would
It's
say
available
that.
everywhere. Our chart is better. You can
Again, that is something I will
not happening. Chart is better.
debate about. Probably we'll get other people as well who are more.
Yeah, let's do a
food
poll
historians.
later. Yeah, so food is
We'll get
better.
food historians to
Correct,
debate about it. Why
Yeah.
should we talk
So
about
Delhi is anyways famous for food. हमारी खाऊ गली हो गई. खाऊ गली दिल्ली में ही है ना?
it? नहीं, इधर है. चांदनी चौक है आपका।
चांदनी चौक जाओ भाई, परांठे वाली गली जाओ, you will
इधर
love
खाओ
it.
गली इधर है,
Correct.
we have a food street here.
Yeah. So चांदनी चौक जाओ, टिक्की वगैरह
See,
वो
food
सब बहुत
availability,
अच्छा
I
है.
think इधर बहुत increase हो चुका है with the new age
New
crowd
age,
that we have and all that. We get all cuisines in
Correct.
Bangalore and very fine dine kind of cuisines. Like we have the Khmer kitchen that gives Cambodian cuisine. Very interestingly, same road pe
Japanese.
now they've started a place called Rangoon something. It is Myanmar based cuisine.
इनफैक्ट मैं बोलती हूँ जितने यहाँ पे अभी ओपन आउट हो रहे हैं आउटलेट्स, सो देयर वाज अ सेइंग, यू नो, कि आई थिंक, सो माय मामा टोल्ड मी वन डे कि बैंगलोर में अगर आप ऐसे पत्थर फेंकोगे ना,
पब मिलेगा.
पब मिलेगा, या तो वो पत्थर किसी ऐसे बंदे पे गिरेगा जो कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर है. So I think that's a very interesting point कि business wise, like even if you want to start up a business or whatever, which state you think is, or which city you think is better? I feel Bangalore hands down.
I think the
Because there's
least-
something in the air. You
हाँ, वो
land
तो
in the
है.
city, you will feel so many
No, I think
ideas coming in, sprouting in your brain. It's so cool that
I don't
way.
know whether it's that easy to get an idea, but I will say this: the culture in terms of the number of meetups that happen here, the access to investors, the access to probably founders, the access to more business people, I think is conducive. That's the more conducive environment here rather than
Right.
in Delhi.
Right.
क्योंकि दिल्ली में भी है यार, it's not like it's not there.
It's there, but Delhi में जो businesses, I'll tell you, mostly it's more on the side of market side. जैसे market में अपने business शुरू कर दिया.
Generational businesses
हाँ,
ज़्यादा है उधर.
generational businesses बहुत ज़्यादा. Even Bangalore में भी है.
है.
But I would say startup culture जो
Exactly.
Bangalore में है वो कहीं पे भी नहीं है. You would go to a pub, you go to a coffee shop, you'll see all the young people sitting, ideating कि
Peak
यार
Bengaluru moments.
हाँ, peak Bengaluru moments. You will go and see कि क्या बात कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो बात
There are
कर
peak
रहे हैं. यार,
Bengaluru.
I want to make a unicorn. यार, मुझे तो ये करना है, ये business में ऐसा करेंगे, इतना रेस करना है. So these conversations so casual.
Yeah.
Sometimes I feel like यार ये कहाँ गई हूँ मैं. I sometimes don't relate to
true,
such
true.
conversations.
That happens even when we attend our industry conferences.
Yeah.
We see we've gone to industry conferences even other states and other places, but the crowd that comes here is unparalleled and unmatched.
I
वो
agree.
तो
And
100%
even
है.
अर्जुन, आपने नोटिस किया है यहाँ पे हम जब भी कोई भी बात करते हैं ना, people don't talk less than few thousand crores. It's like कि जैसे पेड़ पे उग रहे पैसे.
हाँ.
Even our families में भी बात होता है.
हाँ.
हाँ यार, that deal they did
हाँ,
for
that deal 40 crores
40
ये घर
crores,
ले लिया,
10,000 crores ले लिया,
20 करोड़,
ये कर
6
लिया,
करोड़,
उतना
जहाँ पे
रेस कर
भी
लिया. मैंने बोला भैया नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल
पता
भी
नहीं.
होता है.
हम अभी भी ढूंढ रहे करोड़ को, but
करोड़
anyway.
हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. प्रॉपर हम
But
सुनने
लोगों
में
को
बहुत
मिल
आ रहा है.
हाँ,
सुनने में
सुनने में
बहुत
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 मिलता
आता
है,
है.
तो
So
anyway.
that's what I'm saying. It's in the air. It's in Bangalore's air. Delhi में
I think it's a manifestation.
yeah, probably everybody's trying to manifest here.
Everyone is saying crores. At least if not 100%, 50% will get it.
Also, one more thing I want to add. Delhi में कोई billionaire street नहीं है. I have not heard of it at least. बैंगलोर में है, एक इंदिरा नगर में है, कोरमंगला में
I think
है.
it's Koramangala.
I think HSR में शुरू हुआ है, not इंदिरा नगर, HSR में someone was telling me कि this billionaire street, वहाँ पर सारे वो जिन्होंने यूनिकॉर्न बेच के अपनी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी बनाई है, they have their houses there. It's pretty amazing.
There's a billionaire street I
apparently.
know in Koramangala for sure.
Right.
I don't know about the HSR one. Like I said, there are new age billionaires happening.
Correct.
Like yesterday I read, okay, it's not a Bangalore based company. Yesterday I was reading somewhere कि there's a company in Mysore. He's a 60-year-old guy, but they produce certain parts to Chandrayaan. And because of that, their shares went so high, he's now become a billionaire.
Wow.
Like
Let's
his
just
shares are
invest.
worth some billions. So
Let's just invest.
I don't even know the name of the company.
Wow.
I just read it.
Information.
I read it. No, it starts with K. That much I remember. Keens, something like that.
Kamakshi Enterprises.
No.
Okay.
वो next शायद हो सकता है.
Let's just do it.
हाँ, Kamakshi Enterprises for Bakchod.
Yeah, Bakchodi. It's called Bakchodi. That's a problem. Language issues. It's Bakchodi.
Same है.
Just like I used to say when I came
Mara
to
Maru.
no when I came to Bangalore, I used to say Kannad Gotilla or Gotil, something I used to say
Gotilla.
Kannad. It's Kannada, na? I would say Kannad. It's like Bakchod. Yeah, it's fine. So, but one thing I've seen here when I came to Bangalore, I think I've seen this after marriage more so, because then पूरा household बनाना था, साथ में रहना था, कि भैया बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है the city. When it comes to even सब्जी खरीदने जाओ and सब्जी ले लो या जनरली कुछ भी सामान करना है, यहाँ पे जुगाड़ कम है. जुगाड़ दिल्ली में बहुत है, राइट? यहाँ पे वो सब कम है. एंड I'll tell you the bare difference. जैसे कि अब सब्जी में हम टमाटर लेने जाते हैं, दिल्ली में 15 रुपये किलो, 20 रुपये किलो. हम ₹30 किलो तो मिनिमम आप जाओ. चलो मैं ईरा को भी थोड़ा डिस्काउंट कर दूँ, फिर भी अगर दिल्ली में 10 का मिल रहा है तो यहाँ पर आपको 20-25 किलो तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, राइट. दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. सो सब वेजिटेबल एज कम्पेयर टू दिल्ली इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. एप्पल्स, उसमें मेरे पापा आए थे बता रहे थे 89-90 रुपीज़ kg मिलता है यहाँ पे. अर्जुन, हाउ मच? 150
150, 180 depends on the time of the year,
ईयर, बट जनरली इट्स
generally
वेरी
है.
एक्सपेंसिव. अभी 150 चल
हाँ.
रहा होगा, बट इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव यार, लिविंग इन बैंगलोर. एंड
मतलब I used to deny this पहले कि it was very expensive, but now that I've seen both places, we travel more often there
Right.
as well. कि हाँ, सब्जियाँ का मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि ठीक है, I think
Yeah.
slightly more. Also because I think one thing I've noticed and heard people say 2000 when the IT boom happened.
Right.
2000 late 90s, right? I was around 10-11 years old that time. Obviously didn't know what was happening in the world too much, but then as and when I was growing older, one thing I started hearing commonly was that even vendors and all of them, they started saying that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಐ ಟಿಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
हाँ, so तुम सब
So
basically
they
आप लोग
basically
सब
started
तो
generalizing.
हाँ,
कि
कि सब
everyone
IT में
here
काम
is working in
करते
IT and everyone who works in IT makes money.
मेक्स मनी सबके
So,
पास. और एक
you
याद है
started
एक
jacking up the
न्यूज़पेपर
rates.
में आर्टिकल आया था, पता नहीं क्या आया था, कि एक बंदा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी से ऑटो लेना चाहता था वापस आने के लिए. देयर ऑटो वाला चार्ज सच बहुत ही ज़्यादा
Exorbitant rate.
प्राइस बोला उसने. तो उसने बोला कि सर इतना तो बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो. अभी कह रहे तुम तो आईटी में काम करते हो, दे
हाँ.
सकते हो. दिस गाय इज लाइक सर आप मेरी पे स्लिप देखो, ही शोड 40,000. लाइक बैठो यार, फ्री में दे दे
हाँ.
तो लेके चाहता हूँ.
So, exactly, there are
ऑटो वाला
stories like
इज
this.
लाइक दैट.
Exactly. So,
yeah.
that's the sad part about all of this.
But you know,
right?
the good part is that people come in Bangalore and there are multiple opportunities to earn. That
That's
I've
true.
seen. उस दिन हम लोग किससे डिस्कस कर रहे थे, you will see less beggars in Bangalore than Delhi for sure.
I think
किसके
I
साथ?
think-
Mom, dad? I don't know.
Mom dad only had
हाँ,
come from
probably.
Delhi and
हाँ.
they were like कामाक्षी इधर उतना दिखते नहीं है,
उतने
और जो
beggars
भी है
नहीं
it's
दिखते.
controlled,
Yeah, it's
whatever.
whatever way. So that way I would say Bangalore is expensive. Everybody is making their money. But if you have work from home
No,
and you can go
yeah.
back to your cities, might as well do it. पैसे बचा लो. इतने एक्सपेंसिव सिटी में रहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We know somebody in our circle जिन्होंने उनका recently baby हुआ है and they hired a nanny. नैनी के लिए कितना अर्जुन, कितना पे होगा? 10,000 रुपए, 15 पे कर
I
दोगे.
think 40-50 के they paid.
40-50 के दे गिविंग फॉर नैनी. आई मीन कम ऑन, बच्चे को तो यार मेरे को हायर कर लो, मैं आ
now I know
जाऊँ.
why.
अर्जुन को ही ले जाओ.
अरे मुझे नहीं,
अवेलेबल
now-
फॉर नैनी सर्विसेज.
नहीं I'm very busy, sorry.
Scared like no,
तो
no.
I know of people कि who have
Paid so much.
paid so much नहीं है, who are like thinking of becoming like nannies बन जाओ, crash open
Crash
करो.
open. We know one person
हाँ,
only.
हमारे फैमिली में ही है वो, but anyway को मुंह खोलेंगे तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
नाम मत लो.
हाँ, बट क्रैश ओपन करेंगे, ये
Yeah.
करेंगे, क्योंकि ठीक है बच्चे पसंद है वो अलग बात है, बट वो बिजनेस एटलीस्ट बिजनेस
But-
थॉट है.
हाँ, थॉट तो है. तो वही मैंने बोला ना, यहाँ की हवा में है. आप बैठे बैठे घर पे बिजनेस की बातें सोच सकते हो. सो आई थिंक ओवरऑल आई वुड से when it comes to Bangalore versus Delhi is cheaper, livable. Any normal person can have a good standard of living.
But don't you think certain parts like
Not
वो
है.
disclaimer दूंगा,
नहीं,
like South
I mean,
Delhi
to
is
be-
very expensive.
Yeah, South Delhi में जाओ. I mean, I have not lived there, so I don't know. I lived in West Delhi, so I know for sure वहाँ पे it's livable probably. कुछ भी मतलब अगर आप minimum whatever कमाते हो 70,000-80,000 आराम से रह सकते
South
हो,
Delhi
chill
में?
कर. West Delhi, Arjun, where are your thoughts?
No, I'm saying in South Delhi.
I said I have not lived there, so I don't know. I'm
cool,
talking
cool.
about West Delhi. वहाँ पे आराम से रह सकते हो, chill कर सकते हो. Whereas even in Bangalore, अगर आप कोई भी part में जाओगे, average you need certain amount of salary to sustain because it's just expensive here. Unless
No,
you
yeah.
go try to budget your thing, and so I think वो एक problem है. Culturally, I know we are loud. We like to have our fun. We do our भांगड़ा. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा कल्चर है, बैठक होती है, संगीताज होते हैं, संगीता सेरेमनी होती
कचेरी.
है, कचेरी होती है, जहाँ पे बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स आके रागास गाते हैं. हमारे यहाँ पे तो यो हनी सिंह उसमें ही हम खुश हो जाते
हनी
हैं.
सिंह एंड वो कौन है वो आख्या का
बादशाह.
काजल.
Oh,
वाली.
that is, yeah, that's a nice one.
What's her name?
I forgot.
Sonal. I don't know.
No, yeah, I forgot. So yeah, but Arjun loves that kind of
I
music
like that
nowadays.
music, yeah.
So that way I feel like it's a good balance, isn't it?
Both cities are good, yeah. In the
Yeah,
end,
and we
both
are
good
enjoying the
in their
cross
own way.
culture. We're enjoying
Yeah,
this.
We enjoy it.
Yeah, Arjun loves.
But all in all, I would say, yeah, we enjoy the cross culture.
Yeah.
And
I think you love Delhi in certain ways. I love Bangalore in certain ways.
like I said, there are
Yeah.
good to take good things in both cities. There are bad things in both cities, and if you can appreciate the good things, I think easier
Yeah.
to kind of go
Live-
through and live
correct,
through
challenges of the
rather
city.
than always talk about challenges.
Correct.
Right? एक cynic
Yeah.
बनना easier है मेरे हिसाब से.
Correct.
If you start becoming cynical, it's very easy to start criticizing and looking at holes everywhere.
Correct.
Look at it at a more slightly positive note, and I think
Yes, I think with that thought of Babaji Arjun, I would
Baba
like
Arjun
to
Das.
Baba Arjun Das. Oh, very nice name.
क्यों
Nice
रणछोड़
name.
दास था मैं अर्जुन दास.
So yeah, so I think we will finish this episode. I hope you guys like it. Please come again to our episode next time, and we will all wait to hear back your comments and your what do you call, Arjun? What were advices and suggestion, of course, that how can we make it better, what kind of topics you want to listen more from us. So yeah, thank you so much.
Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Bye bye.
Bye.